Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your locked games on your PlayStation 5. So if you have like a lock symbol next to your game before you start up, go up to the top and go to Settings right here. Then scroll on down, and we want to go to Users and Accounts. Then we want to go to where it says Other, and then go to the right. And we want to go to Restore Licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Then you want to go to where it says Restore. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your licenses for the content. If you go ahead and restore it, it should fix this issue for you. Then another thing that you can try is going to cancel sharing offline play on the main account that you use your games and you purchase games with, and this will share to all other accounts. Then just go to where it says Enable, and you should be good to go. Now if those two options didn't fix it, you could try going to sign out, and then you'll have to sign in with your email address and password. Or you could try just turning off your PlayStation by going to power right here, and then go to turn off, and then turn it back on after about a minute or two. And this should reset everything, and hopefully this fixed your locked games when you did this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.